Hey everyone, this is just a quick look at this melting wax gun. This gun is great if you make a lot of wax seals because it's so much faster than melting the wax with one of those spoons. But the gun isn't only for wax because you can also use it for glue. This also isn't one of those dinky little glue guns. This gun is actually a fairly decent size. And it requires the large sticks, which are about 0.4 inches or 10 millimeters. The outside of the gun is made of plastic, but the inside looks to be made of stainless steel. The gun has this on-off button, which is really handy because now I don't have to unplug it when I'm done. The gun takes about 3 minutes to be ready to use it, so it's super quick. It has a little metal flap down stand that holds it up, but I wouldn't recommend leaving it like this for too long because it'll start dripping. Like I said before, this thing is great for making wax seals, but if you're gonna wanna use multiple colors of wax, then you'd need multiple guns because you can't switch the wax out. The one thing I'm not a fan of here is this cord. It's only like 3 foot and I would have liked it to be longer. That being said, I'm impressed with the quality of this wax gun for such a cheap price. Anyway, I hope this was helpful and thanks for watching.